Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic the project portfolio management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you want to learn about it. So let's just start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that many videos can reach to you. Friend, project portfolio management is defined as a process and method designed to manage groups of related projects so as to maximize value and benefits for the organization. A successful project portfolio management approach requires good visibility into the relations and dependencies between projects and solid understanding of the strategies and value drivers of the business. Organizational large and small usually embrace project portfolio management in order to rationalize the selection and orchestration of projects, strategize the allocation and utilization of their key resources, and define highly efficient value and risk management models. A project portfolio management strategy needs to be designed to fit the organization's unique needs and features. It should be continuously monitored, evolved, and optimized over time. Project portfolio management, the term is increasingly prevalent in business spheres and has even grown ubiquitous in project oriented firms, hence, the importance of having a proper understanding of project portfolio management concepts and practices. What exactly is a portfolio of projects? What value and benefits can an organization or a PMO drive from aggregating projects into portfolios? How should a portfolio of projects be managed and what for? A portfolio of projects is simply a set of projects that are managed together in order to achieve strategic goals or benefits. Unlike individual projects which are defined by specific deliverables, a portfolio supports the strategic directions of the enterprise or business functions. Grouping multiple interrelated initiatives into portfolios make it possible to optimize the allocation, the prioritization, and the scheduling of resources across multiple projects against the financial and strategic goals of the organization. Just like an investment portfolio, a grouping of financial assets such as stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities owned by an investor who needs to make sure the mix of assets offers good balance to maximize profit with limited or controlled risk. A project portfolio should be balanced between short and long term projects and between high risk or high value initiatives and bread and butter projects. To quote project portfolio management experts, one of the most widely respected authorities in the domain, PPM is the management of the project portfolio so as to maximize the contribution of projects to the overall welfare and success of the enterprise. While for the Project Management Institute, project portfolio management is the centralized management of one or more portfolios that enable executives management to meet organizational goals and objectives through efficient decision making on portfolios, projects, programs, and operations. As the discipline focuses on managing collections of interconnected and interdependent projects, it requires coordinating multiple initiatives which share productive, financial, and human resources. Portfolio managers need to make sure they understand the various projects under their purview with focus on connections and dependencies. The project portfolio management process is designed to help PMO determine the best way to sequence, arrange, and prioritize a mix of projects in order to generate synergies and improve execution efficiency, to diversify risk, and to better align project related activities with the strategic and tactical goals of the organization. A business usually starts feeling the need for a formal project portfolio management approach when sizable growth in the number and complexity of project opportunities compels project managers and PMOs to make tough trade-offs decisions. A firm's budget, cash flow, equipment, and resource capacity are essentially limited, Allocating the available productive means across a handful of simple and straightforward projects is generally a no-brainer. However, scheduling and prioritizing dozens of interrelated initiatives across multiple domains require a bit more preparation and capability as well. So then friend, basically there are usually many different sources of projects for an organization. Product managers and product owners, executive leaders, head of operations, marketing and sales teams are just a few of the functions and stakeholders which may ideate projects and push for their execution. Without a sound and established process for filtering, some sequencing and organizing projects, ideas, and demands, organizations end up with an inflated pipeline of projects that proves too heavy to manage and or with a chaotic bunch of mismatched, contradictory, or redundant projects. In any case, this lack of clarity and control over projects results in mediocre core project performance, which directly correlates with organizational inability to realize the strategies and fulfill the mission of the boundaries a business. Portfolio management capabilities are designed to help PMO stabilize and optimize the management of their projects and achieve more predictable and aligned outputs. The purpose is to maximize the benefits that the organization derives from its investment in projects. First of all, our portfolio approach to project management helps project management offices to select and prioritize the best projects. What are the best projects from a portfolio management perspective? Simply put, the highest value projects are those that maximize the benefits for the firm, not only from a purely financial ROI standpoint but also considering the strategic objectives and the long term roadmap of the organization. Yet another consideration is the business of the portfolio itself. The makeup of a portfolio of projects should be defined so as to optimize the overall risk profile and exposure, which means that the incorporation of any project into a portfolio requires performing an impact assessment to evaluate the consequences on the project mix. Project portfolio management contributes to strengthening the bond between the enterprise strategic vision, tactical plans, and project activity. Improved understanding of the strategic impact of projects can also be leveraged to review and possibly adjust an active portfolio so as to budget adapt it to changes in the business environment or priorities. For example, it might make sense to decide to pause or terminate in flight projects or to revise the distribution of strategic resources across competing projects. Which brings us to another key use of case of portfolio management, optimizing the allocation and use of the organization's pool of productive resources in order to maximize the value that the business gets from its projects. It is here again all about getting the best value for your money. As your resources are limited, you need to see to it that they are utilized to complete those projects that will bring you the best result as well. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video, friend. Thank you.